Focus in on the stocks that are on the editor's radar today. We'll be discussing Voltas and Avenue Supermarts. Let's pull up Voltas first up because on a year-to-date basis, on the last 1 month as well, the stock has been exceedingly flat, and there is a latest report as well from Morgan Stanley saying that it will be difficult to return to the previous market share highs.
You know, interestingly, Voltas, despite we had an extraordinary surge in the summer temperatures in the month of Feb. We all thought that, okay, there is going to be a pent-up demand which would be there for at least the unitary business of Voltas. But the demand for Voltas, I think, is still flattish. They are not really able to live up to what the brand expectations are. I mean, it's a solid go-to brand. But in terms of their real translation into sales are not there. Now, is it because of unseasonal rains? Is it because they're losing market share? But the fact that if they expect growth of 8 to 10% at a time when we all know the big picture for India is that air conditioning is an under-penetrated category, electricity transmission has only increased, electricity availability has increased, we want more comfort from summer and unseasonal rains also. I think they are not able to create their magic. That's my limited point, that competition is heating up. They are a Tata brand but not able to live up to the expectation, and I guess markets somewhere are now really puzzled whether they should believe, wait, or they should not take a call that look, there is something wrong in the way the franchise is evolving.
Okay, that's the view coming in on Voltas. Competition clearly heating up. Moving on then, Avenue Supermarts, and clearly it seems that despite the kind of upgrade that you're getting from Motilal, Oswal for instance, there are still concerns when it comes to same-store sales growth for Avenue Supermart.
So, you know, Motilal Oswal has come up with a view that they feel that Avenue Supermart could go up by 18%. Now, 18% for a stock which is extremely richly priced and it is still trading at north of 40 times is not going to be, it may not really get a lot of value buyer on the table. My sense is that there could be a trading bounce in V-Mart and D-Mart, largely because of the base effect, same-store sales, new stores kicking in. These stocks have underperformed, monsoon progress, the rural economy picks up, the value retail has underperformed as a category. If the inflation in fact comes down, then apparel business and the non-apparel business will pick up. So I will not rule out a deep swell, a trading bounce in some of these stocks. But beyond that, to make a case that a stock like Avenue Supermart could be part of your portfolio, I think at 50, 60 times, it's always difficult. The consensus is sell, but there are still 8 buys on D-Mart.
Yeah, so perhaps not for now look at it as you know, a short-term play. That's the view coming in on Voltas and Avenue Supermarts, Aisha.
Well, yeah.